Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the Volkswagen Polo MK6 Facelift Life that does come complemented in a modernised and classic Reflex Silver exterior, really contrasting well. It does also come with your 1 litre petrol engine, making it the ideal nippy city drive for any individual, alongside your efficient and smooth automatic transmission. It does also come with your enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights, alongside it being complemented by your 16-inch alloy wheels and power folding and heated door mirrors for added protection when stationary. Moving into your boot area, we'll find enough space inside for all your day-to-day items, with an extra storage pocket just below for your spare wheel and tools. Moving inside, you will be faced with a full cloth trim for absolute comfort all round with your central power outlets. Moving into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel with access to your digital cockpit screen and central touch display, providing much needed entertainment all round. Just opposite, you do have a storage in your central console that does act as an armrest, dividing your two front cloth seats. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel with access to your digital cockpit screen, displaying all your vital driving data, navigation and audio options. And for further safety, you do also have your travel assist alongside your speed limiter, so you can be kept in a safe legal limit. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have your app connect with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink for quick access to vital car apps and preferred audio. Or if you wish, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you entertained on those longer journeys. To keep an eye on the overall condition of the vehicle, you do also have your on-screen driving data and vehicle status, alongside further assistance with your IQ Drive, anticipating the front surrounding traffic. And for that personalised touch, you do also have your user profile selection, saving all your preferences, followed by your main climate dials, handy power outlets and small charging pocket. You do also have your central cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 3994 or inquire online now.